How to manage weight loss and long-term obesity. Welcome to this video tutorial on the maintenance of lost weight and long-term management of obesity. In this tutorial, we will explore the challenges of keeping weight off after weight loss, understand the physiological responses to weight loss, and discuss strategies for successful long-term weight management. Why is it so difficult to lose weight and keep it off? Let's delve deeper into the section on why it's so challenging to lose weight and maintain it. Losing weight and sustaining that loss can be an arduous journey for many individuals. Here's a more comprehensive look at the reasons behind this difficulty. Metabolic adaptations. When you embark on a weight loss journey, your body naturally undergoes metabolic adaptations. This means that as you shed pounds, your metabolism may slow down to conserve energy. This slowdown can make it easier to regain weight when you return to a regular diet. It's almost as if your body is trying to regain the lost weight, as it perceives weight loss as a potential threat to survival. Hormonal changes. Weight loss can lead to significant hormonal changes that affect your appetite and satiety signals. Leptin, known as the satiety hormone, decreases with weight loss. This reduction in leptin can lead to increased hunger and a decreased feeling of fullness, making it more challenging to control your food intake. Conversely, ghrelin, often referred to as the hunger hormone, tends to increase after weight loss, further stimulating appetite and making it challenging to maintain a lower calorie intake. Psychological factors. Weight management isn't just about the physical aspects, it's also highly influenced by psychological factors. Emotional triggers, stress, and environmental cues can lead to overeating or unhealthy food choices, derailing your weight maintenance efforts. Overcoming emotional and psychological obstacles is a vital part of successful long-term weight management. Lifestyle challenges. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle over the long term requires ongoing commitment and effort. Life can be unpredictable, and circumstances can change. It's crucial to navigate through various life events, such as job changes, family responsibilities, or personal challenges, while still prioritizing health and fitness. Genetic predisposition. Genetics play a role in how our bodies respond to weight loss and maintenance. Some individuals may have a genetic predisposition that makes it more challenging to maintain a lower weight, even with consistent effort. Societal and environmental factors. The environment we live in can greatly influence our eating habits and activity levels. Easy access to high-calorie, processed foods and sedentary lifestyles can hinder weight management efforts. Physiological responses to weight loss. Understanding how the body responds to weight loss is crucial. Leptin and ghrelin. Leptin, the satiety hormone, decreases with weight loss, while ghrelin, the hunger hormone, increases, making you more prone to overeating. Energy expenditure. Reduced body mass can lead to lower energy expenditure, making it harder to maintain a calorie deficit. Fat storage. The body tends to prioritize fat storage after weight loss, making it easier to regain fat. Weight regain versus maintenance. Distinguishing between weight regain and weight maintenance is essential. Weight regain occurs when you regain a significant portion of the weight you've lost, often due to lapses in diet and exercise. Weight maintenance involves stabilizing your weight at a lower level through ongoing healthy habits. The role of diet composition. Diet composition plays a vital role in long-term weight management. Balanced diet emphasizes whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to prevent overeating. Moderation. Enjoy treats in moderation to maintain a sustainable approach. Clinical recommendations for long-term weight management counseling. For effective long-term weight management, consider these clinical recommendations. Behavioral counseling. Seek support from healthcare professionals or dietitians for guidance and accountability. Physical activity. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine to help maintain weight loss. Regular monitoring. Track your progress, diet, and physical activity to stay on course. Stress management. Manage stress to prevent emotional eating and lapses in willpower. In conclusion, maintaining lost weight and managing obesity over the long term is undoubtedly challenging, but it is achievable with the right strategies and mindset. Remember that it's not just about reaching a goal weight but about adopting a sustainable and healthy lifestyle that you can maintain for life. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated with more informative content on health and well-being, please consider subscribing to my channel.